you're up 30 grand. Can't make this up. Welcome. That's gonna suck for you, bro. I've shaved 3 people's heads already.
Okay, we'll see. May the best trader win, huh?
Good luck.
You guys scared? It's day 1 in Dubai. I'm about to hop in my first trade right now. My goal for this week is to make $30,000, and we're gonna start off with the GBP NZD sell. You guys can see we're in this daily supply zone. Price pulled back all the way, gave me my confirmations over here. And I think that this is ready to go short. I'm gonna be going aggressive. Like I said, I wanna make 30K this week, so we're hopping in 25 loss to start it off. But right now I'm gonna link up with my guy Alex. We're gonna get a quick lift in, and I'll see y'all there.
How you doing?
Chilling. All right, I just picked up my guy. We met up the other day at the expo. We hit it off.
I've seen your stuff before. I've seen your content. I know you've done like some pretty dope like account flips and stuff. You said you're strong, so let's see how strong you are.
Let me show you this trade I just hopped in. I deposited like 30 grand on this account, and then I've made 50K, withdrawn 20.
You made 50K on 33K. You withdrawn 20. So you doubled the account.
Yeah.
Wow, that's not bad at all. It is a counter trend trade though. 100%.
No, I'm playing with the trend.
No. I promise.
You don't know how to properly do top-down analysis, that's why.
I don't know how to do that.
You don't know how to do that.
Resistance is supply, support is demand.
Nah. But you can't say supply and demand.
Whoa. What the fuck do you mean?
It could, but it doesn't need to.
Brother, I swear to God, you're not making sense right now. Like, bro, you're not. This right here, forget about where you're looking to the left. Is this, bro, just forget about it.
Why would you ever forget about it?
Bro, because you need to base off structure off of what's happening here.
All right, let me ask you about this.
You,
okay, let's say you have a girlfriend, she's 23.
Okay.
If she was a hooker at 18, do you care?
Well, that's different.
You're looking left.
Yes,
You're looking left.
Okay, yes, fine. I'm gonna look left to determine if it's at a resistance, if it's at a resistance or if it's at a support. Correct, that's all good. The structure does not matter about anything. Like you don't have to look that far left to determine if the structure is bullish or bearish. You do, but right here you can tell that this is bullish off of this structure. This is bullish or bearish? Okay, is it bullish or bearish, bro?
If you don't have the full picture, it's bullish.
Yeah, but even if you do have the full picture, this is still bullish, brother.
No, it's not.
Brother, yes it is. This is the lower high, right? Okay. Right? Lower low. That line right there, that's the all-time high, right? Your supplier. Brother, price completely broke above that. Look, my alarm is hitting. I'm about to enter a trade. Dude, that's the higher high. That high is above that high. Or you're basing it off of?
Not.
Oh, because you're looking at the wicks.
Of course I'm looking at the wicks.
Oh, you're one of those.
Okay, bro.
That's why you don't have a Bugatti.
Who's the retard? You.
Yeah, I mean, brother, long story short, your trade's alright, bro. It's because I touched your phone, bro. You're up 30 grand, dude. Can't make this shit up. Can't make this up. You're welcome. I need a profits to them.
DJ Khaled. Pull up in that two-tone, got me feeling like a Jetson. Flooded up my sneaky link, let's short it like my best friend. Top a bag on her, I'm a sponsor. She my
sun is out, like super sweaty out here. Barely on any sleep, but I still gotta show up every single day. Like
she just want me out to herself. She don't share with nobody else. Keep going. She just want me out to herself. Make her feel like a superstar. She way above that.
It's good to have cool friends in life, but having a guy do pull-ups like this, I don't know if I want to be that guy's friend.
Every single night we burn sage cause we
GBP USD is also cooking, but not yet.
let me show you something on GU.
Brother, you don't even know how to read market structure.
I wouldn't sell this at all.
Why?
I don't have an entry level here at all.
No, I can't sell right now. I would wait.
No. Like I'd be waiting to buy out of here.
Oh, dude, you're out of your mind.
Like look at the rejection you're already getting out of this zone.
What do you want to bet?
What do you want to bet? Loser shaves their head bald.
Alright, fine. You're losing. Deal.
Alright, done. A deal's a deal.
Looks like you're gonna shave your head. This is gonna sell off very hard, and that's gonna suck for you, bro. I've shaved 3 people's heads already.
May the best trader win, huh?
Good luck.
Psych! You guys scared?
No, I'm down.
I'm scared.
Oh, no.
What?
It's off.
It's a double handshake.
Yeah, done. It's a done.
Hopped off Alex. It was dope seeing him, honestly, and then I checked into this new B&B, but I got way too caught up. I want to show you guys a GN sell. I scaled in a couple times. We're down $27,000 to start the trip, but a lot of people right now will panic. Guys, I'm Ali Trades. We have the PIP and dip method. I'm not panicking at all. This is gonna be a $30,000 week. That's been my goal. I'm about to head to the sand dunes, so stay tuned.
The man them too inconsiderate. 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get Finnegan. Drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skin cause she wanna be Finnegan. Alright.
We just got to the next spot. There's supposed to be some shows, some food, all that good stuff right now. I'm excited. I haven't ate all day. I have a trade that I want to look at, but let's see. It's about 7:30 p.m. and as you guys can see, Jerome Powell speaks at 8:20. And I really do think that that's going to be the catalyst to move USD CHF, GU, and USD JPY. You guys look at the daily. We're in some great supply zones right here. And I'm going to hop in some sells. Been patient since my last loss, but I think that this is what's going to recover those losses and then add on to the weekend profits. USD JPY sells, GU buys. You guys remember, I did tell Alex that GU was going to buy this week, and I would love to see it play out so I could end up seeing him shave his head bald. See what happens. I think that's gonna bless the trade right there. It's only been a couple minutes, already on 4 grand, so I think whatever happened there is definitely helping. All the show, but I'm ready to go home, guys. I think I got all the luck I needed from hitting that drum, because when I checked the trades, let's see right now. Oh yeah, 3,500 up right there. Come on, I knew those guys were gonna bring me luck. That's why I just had to go. He threw the thing, I was like, yo, it's my time to shine. And now I'm gonna head home. You guys gotta see this villa. I booked the craziest villa here. Private chef, private butler, the whole nine. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. My barber actually just pulled up right now, so I'm gonna get a quick haircut with him. And if we check the trade right now, we're floating $13,635. Yo, what's good, bro? How are you?
I'm good. What about you, bro?
Chilling, just vlogging bro. Right now. Are you gonna get into trading?
I don't know, bro.
You gotta get into it, bro. Shit's crazy. Bro, I've been in these trades for like maybe 4 hours now.
But you make money, bro. This is important, bro. If you make money, why not, bro?
I mean, bro, as long as you learn from the right people and learn the right way, like, you can make a lot of money.
I know, it's...
Like the same strategy that made me my first million, I put out there 100% free.
I know, it's not easy, of course.
It's not easy, but it's also not hard. Like,
yeah, that's why I'm thinking like it's hard.
Here's the issue is the parts that are like hard, people think are easy. And the parts that are easy, people think are hard. So a lot of people think like if they lose, that it's because their strategy sucks. Every time they lose one trade, they want to just change the way they trade. But then they end up losing everything because you need to build consistency with your strategy. I wouldn't say it's hard, I would just say it takes time. Like crazy right now. Literally just flying by the seconds right now.
Yeah, fresh, bro.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Take care, bro. I'm liking the haircut, it looks good. I got a big shoot tomorrow, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna catch some rest, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We're currently up $30,000 on that trade. And as I was telling y'all, like, those drums definitely gave us good luck. But now let me show you this villa, because it is insane. This over here is the master bedroom. And then let me show you guys the rest of it. You make your way out here. There's the elevator. This is the living room upstairs. Here's the downstairs bathroom. I mean, guys, beautiful. But in my opinion, the sickest room has got to be the cinema right here. You guys can see it's like full-blown like cinema, like projector, big screen here. All these couches can fit a ton of people in here. We have this private pool right over here. Super sick. But yeah, it's pretty much it. I'm having breakfast right now, and I'll see y'all in a sec. Hi.
Hi.
What are we making here today?
So I can make you omelette, scrambled egg shakshuka, fried egg, sunny side up.
Whatever you recommend.
Shakshuka.
Let's do it. I'm super excited to try it, but I honestly don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this. It's a lot of food. So my guy Hunter from Wayon just pulled up.
Oh, what's good, Ali? I got my camera too. Good to see you, bro.
Everything well? Everything's good.
I like the jersey.
Thank you, bro. You see that?
This villa is sick.
All right, come on in, bro. I had a great shoot with the Wayon guys, and as you guys can see right now, we're currently up $78,000 on our positions. And as you guys can see, we did add 2 little Bitcoin entries right there. I really do think that Bitcoin is gonna long. Everybody has been talking about shorts on it. I checked the charts, I saw we're on a daily demand level, as you guys can see here. Obviously price respects this level to this level, and I'm expecting us to come out of here and push higher. I'm just taking it to that minor level there. Balance 38,000, equity 117,000. It's absolutely insane, and I just feel really bad because I really am about to make Alex G have to shave his head bald.
Bro, I've never been able to kill flies, but here I can fucking just. I murdered 3 just now.
What the? So we just pulled up to Kurt's B&B. We're up 61K on the trade, a little pullback from where we were at last night, but it's still moving insane. And that GU buy that we took is now up 142 pips since the entry. So I'm sorry, Alex, but I really got to see that hair get shaved. Loki, I'd even be down to fly to Miami to shave his head myself. I wish that was a part of the plan. But guys, check out this view. It's sick. Trades are overall up 62 grand right now, with Bitcoin weighing us a little bit down. This demand zone to the left on the -5, which pushed us all the way up. Saw price come down there, give us some good rejection, so I hop back in there. And overall, I think that we have some great positions here. And as you guys can see, that UJ sell is absolutely tanking. I'm gonna be closing out of this one right now just because the markets are about to close. And GU, I'm also waiting for it to push up just a little bit. We have a couple hours left, so I don't want to get out on a retracement. The reason why I hopped out of UJ is because it created that new low. And with that one position, I've pretty much recovered all the losses from that first trade that we took. And from here, all I have to do is manage Bitcoin the right way and close out the other 2 trades, and I'll have an insane trading week. I'm gonna get ready for dinner right now, and stay tuned, guys. As you can see here, we just punched that new low on USD-CHF. That's it. I'm getting out of this trade right here. 26,000 secured there. And then I'm sorry, Alex, but with this push on GU, I gotta get out, bro. And on the day, you guys can see we have secured $84,000 in trades, and we still have a negative $13,000 Bitcoin trade open right now. I do expect this one to hit. Might even, I don't want to jinx it, but we might hit the 6 figures. Nah, I don't even want to finish that sentence. Honestly, I don't want to jinx it. I'm sorry, Alex. You are going to have to shave your head bald.
To get to my current position, I've done more than 10,000 hours. Dreamt that I saw my name on a gravestone. Maybe then they would give me my flowers.
No, 3,500. Pretty much the same since our last update, but not bad. I still remember everybody telling me that I'm crazy for going long. And right now, my longs are in the blue.
Find out where am I staying? My girl don't believe anything I'm saying. My family need anything I'm paying. Sat down telling her therapist stories. I know she ain't gonna relate. What's this? What's that? I don't care to explain.
Oh, you're in that right now?
Yeah, Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I've been holding this since last week.
Yeah, I saw. That swing was risky, bro. But hey.
No risk, no Rari, yeah?
You want to go Abu Dhabi? An hour isn't even that bad. I was like...
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Like I don't have control of my phone. The guys will know that I'm feeling like this, cause I conceal and hide it. Everyone's there on the weekend vibing. Nobody's there when I need consignment. I heard the quote that the strong survive, but I still got fear of us dying. Some nights still toss and turn in my sleep. I've seen some serious violence. I was 6 years old when dad left home and they shot my granddad. All of that at once. My little bro still going to school, but he wanna do everything that the gang does. Now he's repeating the cycle, cause he's outside and he wanna go act up. Got sick of the carton milk, it was free school milk. He never had packed lunch, cutting the mold of the loaf for bread and
So yeah, this is the beast we'll be learning in. Better cooling, less chances of blowing the engine or something, you know?
Oh, so we might blow the engine.
Oh, let's hope not. Drifting can be fun, but can be expensive as well. Oh.
All right, now my guy's gonna take me for a hot lap, so let's see his skill.
Yeah, you know all right. Let's go.
No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete.
Thank you so much.
Big drip, what you call it? Big drip. Ice chain, pure water. Ice. You got the cab, but can't afford them. You got the bad, but can't afford them. Give me the beat, I ride it like a jet ski. Some of the bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and be with the athletes. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me. Hop in the coupe, then I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast 6, four jump like a trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of teams. Dismantle her, I know how to handle her. Light the candle up, make you put a banner up. Toss a 50 up, make them tie the club up. Took your bitch out the game, I had to sub her.
Guys, I am drenched, but it's going pretty well. I finally got the figure 8 down. I mean, like, maybe not at an insane level, but I finally got it down, and I'm ready to keep scaling this up. After some incredible trades, it's finally time to withdraw. But before I do that, I actually want to call Alex G, since you guys know he's got to shave his head bald. So let's show him the proof right now. Yo.
Yo.
What's good, bro?
What's up?
How's the hair doing?
Vlogs. You're not gonna shave this shit.
Well, bro, I want to show you because I actually had one of my nastiest streaks of trading.
Okay, so what do how much is in your account?
I have right now 177 realized, and I'm floating up to 184.
Oh wow, that's fire.
Yeah.
So what'd you make?
I made like on that trip like 60K, but I've been on a crazy bender since then.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Fire. Congrats.
Yeah.
I see, but I see you have other accounts. Like, what do you have other accounts?
Those two I made by mistake, and then that third one is just an account that I tried to make once. I was kind of trying to do like $100 and see how far I could flip it, but the most I got to was like 8K, and then I blew it.
Yeah, everybody tries to do what I did with the 100 to the back. I mean, bro, you should give it a shot. Like,
I bet you I could do it faster than you.
What, turn 100 into a mil?
Nah. Let me start out with the 100K, but I think we got.
Like, to be fair, you said, yo, you gotta shave your hair, but you never said when.
Come on, man.
You never said. Hey,
that ain't right.
Day, man. You gotta be specific with the dates, bro.
All right, bro. That's how it's gonna be.
Shoot a messenger, string 'em up.